Hi everybody, I'm Chuck Williams and I'm very excited to tell you about the 6-hour seminar Aaron, Blaise, and I are going to be doing on August 14th, focused on story development. Now, Aaron and I have known each other for 30 years, working together and apart, and we're going to be talking about our personal experience. And everyone develops stories differently, but we're going to discuss what's worked for us, what hasn't, how we've evolved, and we'll be covering topics like how to start with an idea, doing your research, where you find your theme, your controlling idea, getting to the heart of your characters, their wants and their needs, and even practical things like how you build a crew or how our best advice on how to sell your idea. In addition, we'll be covering a couple of case studies. I'm going to talk about my recent experience working on Sonic the Hedgehog that I developed for 3 years and came out last year. And we're also going to dig into our last animated film we developed together called The Legend of Timbo. Many of you have seen his artwork. And another sort of special thing about it, in the last hour, we're just going to field questions from whoever's there at the experience. So Aaron and I have done this for over 30 years, and we want it to be as comprehensive as possible, and we want to make it very informative and a lot of fun. We hope you can make it. Thank you.